Ready to take to the skies in 2025? DJI continues to dominate the drone world with cutting-edge technology, breathtaking camera quality, and smarter, more intuitive flying features. Whether you're a professional aerial photographer, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing the world from above, DJI's latest lineup has something for everyone. In today's video, we're showcasing the best DJI drones of 2025, featuring top models that combine power, precision, and innovation. From ultra-portable drones to professional-grade powerhouses. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is DJI's innovative addition to the foldable drone market, blending a unique design and advanced technology. With downward folding propellers and integrated propeller guards, it ensures safe operation, making it ideal for both indoor environments and open spaces. Its lightweight build and foldable design enables seamless portability, fitting into a backpack or pocket for any adventure. Despite its compact size, the DJI Flip boasts a stabilized 3-axis gimbal camera that captures smooth, stunning 4K footage. This makes it ideal for content creators, travelers, and hobbyists who prioritize portability without compromising video quality. Featuring DJI's O4 transmission system, pilots experience real-time HD streaming and precise control, even at extended distances. The Flip's LiDAR-based positioning enhances stability and navigation, ensuring smooth, precise flights even in low-light environments. With a 3,110 mAh battery, the DJI Flip provides an impressive 34-minute flight time, allowing extended exploration and recording opportunities. Whether capturing epic landscape shots or indoor videos, the Flip's ease of use makes it perfect for all skill levels. At a competitive price of around $599, it offers an unbeatable mix of portability, intelligent features, and performance. For those seeking an ultra-lightweight drone for travel and daily use, the DJI Flip ticks all the boxes, making it a standout choice. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a game-changing entry-level drone designed for effortless flight and high-quality imagery. Weighing under 135 grams, the Neo is incredibly lightweight, portable, and user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners and casual flyers. Unlike traditional drones, the Neo does not require a bulky controller. Its operation is fully app-based, providing an intuitive and simplified flying experience. Designed to launch directly from the user's hand, it features AI-powered tracking capabilities, allowing it to follow subjects autonomously and capture stabilized 4K footage. Its camera, though compact, delivers sharp, high-quality video and photos, ideal for travel shots and impromptu moments. With an intelligent flight time of around 15 minutes, the Neo is perfect for quick aerial captures during trips or creative sessions. For beginners, its one-tap controls and automatic return-to-home features make flying incredibly safe and stress-free. The Neo's design also makes it ideal for indoor flights, offering versatility across various settings. Priced at approximately $190, the DJI Neo is an excellent value for those looking to enter the drone world without a steep learning curve or high investment. Compact, stylish, and equipped with intelligent tracking, the Neo proves that entry-level drones can still pack a punch. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 strikes the perfect balance between portability and advanced performance, making it an exceptional choice for intermediate and professional users. At around 720 grams, the Air 3's lightweight yet robust build makes it portable enough for on-the-go aerial photography while delivering premium features. Its dual camera system sets it apart, featuring a wide-angle camera and a medium telephoto lens, both equipped with a 101.3-inch CMOS sensor. This allows users to capture stunning 48 megapixel photos and up to 4K 100 FPS video, ensuring professional-grade footage. The Air 3's 46-minute maximum flight time is one of its standout features, providing extended aerial sessions for uninterrupted creativity. DJI's Focus Track, advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, and O4 transmission system enhance the flying experience, enabling smooth, precise control and superior safety. Whether capturing sweeping landscapes, cinematic close-ups, or fast-moving subjects, the Air 3 delivers unmatched versatility. Priced at approximately $1,099, it provides exceptional value for photographers, travelers, and drone enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance in a portable design. With its robust feature set and intuitive controls, the DJI Air 3 is a drone that can handle everything from professional shoots to recreational adventures. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a feature-packed drone that redefines what a sub-250-gram drone can achieve. Weighing less than 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro is exempt from certain drone regulations in many regions, making it a versatile companion for global travelers. Despite its compact size, the Mini 4 Pro comes equipped with a 1113-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing breathtaking 48mm photos and 4K 60fps HDR video, delivering exceptional image quality in both bright and low-light environments. With DJI's true vertical shooting mode, the drone effortlessly captures portrait-style footage ideal for social media platforms. Intelligent obstacle sensing ensures safe operation, even for less experienced pilots. The Mini 4 Pro also offers an impressive flight time of 34 minutes with the standard battery and up to 45 minutes with the Intelligent Battery Plus, though it exceeds 250 in weight. Creative tools like Master Shots and Quick Shots further simplify aerial cinematography, allowing users to create cinematic content with ease. Priced at $750, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate lightweight drone for travelers, content creators, and drone enthusiasts who prioritize portability and performance. Compact yet powerful, the Mini 4 Pro is a best-in-class offering for its size. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 stands as DJI's flagship drone, offering unmatched professional performance and cutting-edge technology. At the heart of the Mavic 3 is its dual-camera system, featuring a Hasselblad 4.3 CMOS sensor and a telephoto lens. The Hasselblad camera captures 20 megapixel photos and 5.1K video at 50 fps, delivering industry-leading image quality with remarkable clarity and dynamic range. The telephoto lens adds versatility, enabling 28x hybrid zoom for capturing distant subjects without sacrificing detail. The Mavic 3 boasts a maximum flight time of up to 46 minutes, ensuring professionals can complete extended shoots without frequent interruptions. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing and advanced return-to-home system provide unparalleled safety, even in challenging environments. Weighing 958 grams, the Mavic 3 strikes a balance between portability and robustness, making it ideal for fieldwork and professional shoots. DJI's O3 Plus transmission ensures stable video feeds up to 15 km/h, enabling expansive exploration and precision. Priced at approximately $2,099, the Mavic 3 is tailored for professional photographers, filmmakers, and serious enthusiasts who demand the very best. Whether capturing cinematic landscapes, high-quality stills, or tracking fast-paced action, the DJI Mavic 3 delivers top-tier results that set it apart in the drone market.